This is a fit for a 2008 through 2021 and likely beyond Toyota Sequoia with factory installed raised side rails with factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT XL 18 cubic foot rooftop cargo box, here featured in the Titan gray finish. We found this box to be an excellent fit. There is no interference with the fully opened rear hatch or the rear antenna. The box measures 84.5 inches in length, 36 inches in width, and 17 inches high. The box weighs 46 pounds. The roof rack crossbars support up to 150 pounds, giving a total weight carrying capacity of 104 inside the box. The total height from the top of the box to the ground on this particular vehicle, with apparently all stock suspension and tires, is 7 feet 11 inches. This box can hold skis measuring up to 200 centimeters. It's featuring a dual-sided locking mechanism, accessible from both the passenger and driver side using Thule's one-key system. It's mounting to the bars with Thule's power click mounting hardware, tools free, easy to take on and off. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.